Does eating red meat increase colorectal cancer risk? Many people enjoy red meat as part of their regular diet, but recent research suggests there may be a link between high red meat consumption and an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Major health authorities like the World Health Organization, the National Cancer Institute, and the American Institute for Cancer Research have reviewed extensive studies and agree that eating large amounts of red meat, especially processed types, is associated with a higher risk of developing colorectal cancer. This connection has been observed consistently across many large population studies. Red meat includes the muscle meat of mammals such as beef, pork, lamb, and goat. Colorectal cancer begins in the colon or rectum, which are parts of the large intestine. It is one of the most common cancers worldwide and a leading cause of cancer-related deaths. Understanding how diet influences this risk is crucial for making informed choices about colon health. Research shows that people who eat more red and processed meats tend to have a higher chance of developing colorectal cancer compared to those who eat less. For example, studies have found that those with the highest red meat intake have about a 28 to 35% increased risk. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats show an even stronger association. Eating just 50 grams of processed meat daily, roughly equivalent to a couple of slices of bacon, can increase the risk by about 18%. Similarly, consuming an extra 100 grams of red meat daily, about the size of a small steak, may raise the risk by around 17%. Scientists believe several factors may explain this link. Red meat contains heme iron, which can promote the formation of potentially cancer-causing compounds in the digestive system. Cooking methods like grilling or frying at high temperatures can produce chemicals called heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are known to be carcinogenic. These substances can cause DNA damage in cells lining the colon and rectum, increasing the chance of cancer development. Additionally, compounds used in meat processing, such as nitrates and nitrites, may also play a role in increasing risk. While the evidence is strong enough for health authorities to classify the link as probable or convincing, proving direct causation in humans is complex. Nonetheless, the consistent findings across different studies suggest that reducing red and processed meat intake can be a helpful step in lowering colorectal cancer risk. For those looking to protect their colon health, experts recommend moderation. Limiting red meat to about 70 grams, or roughly a small steak or 2 slices of meat, per day is advised. Processed meats should be eaten only occasionally. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, which provide fiber and protective nutrients. Regular physical activity and maintaining a healthy weight also contribute to reducing risk. Screening tests like colonoscopies are the most effective way to detect colorectal cancer early, when treatment is most successful. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's recommendations for screening based on your personal risk factors. Emerging research continues to explore how specific components of red meat influence cancer development, such as how iron might reactivate certain enzymes involved in tumor growth. While these studies are promising for future prevention strategies, current dietary guidelines remains the best advice for now. Remember, individual risk varies based on genetics, overall diet, lifestyle, and other health factors. No single food guarantees or prevents cancer, but overall dietary patterns and healthy habits make a difference. Red meat can be part of a balanced diet, but moderation and variety are key. Always consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have a family history of colorectal cancer or other risk factors. By making mindful choices, staying active, and getting regular screenings, you can help support your colon health and reduce your risk of colorectal cancer.